Hi friends, today we'll be learning letter sounds from A to Z. Are you ready? Let's go! A. A says ah like apple. B. B says b like banana. C. C says k like car. D. D says d like donut. E. E says like eggplant. F. F says f like frog. G. G says g like grapes. H. H says like house. I. I says like insects. J. J says j like jar. K. K says k like kiwi. L. L says l like ladybug. M. M says like mushrooms. N. N says like nest. O. O says like octopus. P. P says like pineapple. Q. Q says quack like quail. R. R says like rainbow. S. S says like snail. T. T says like turtle. U. U says like umbrella. V. V says like vegetables. W. W says like watermelon. X. X says like the X in fox. Y. Y says like yacht. Z. Z says like zebra. Great job, kids! Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe for new videos. See you soon!